Hello everyone and good afternoon. In this tutorial, we're going to go over alt text for images inside Google Slides. So many of you are already familiar with alt text on websites, which allows screen readers to dictate the description or title of an image, really just to give the person visiting that page a better idea of what that graphic encompasses. So this is available in Google Slides now, and there's actually a lot more features available now in it for this. So before we could add alt text, but now you can actually turn on features inside Google Slides to really let someone's operating system or browser take full advantage of what they are seeing. So let's dive right in. This is the alt text tutorial. To get started, we're just going to go to a slide that I created, pulled this image off the web through Google Images. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I don't know if she's scared of the phone, if she's faking being scared of the phone, whatever. But we're just going to right click on this photo and we're going to choose alt text. You can also do Control Alt Y as the shortcut suggests. So we're going to click alt text, give it a title. Now the title, and I'll show you just a minute what that looks like formatting wise, but the title doesn't have to be too long, but you definitely do want to say it's a graphic or an image of something. The description can be much longer. So image of a woman wearing headphones. She records herself with her cell phone while turning away in mock terror while wearing headphones. That's enough alt text for that. So if this were a web page, let's see what that looks like. This is what it'll look like if this were an HTML web page of this Google Slide document. And so if you hover over the image, this is what that would look like to a screen recorder. Let me get that more centered here. So the title is image of woman wearing headphones, dash woman records herself with cell phone while turning away in mock terror while wearing headphones. Let's go back to our slide here. Apparently the shortcut won't work to go back here. All right. So that's what that would look like as a web page. Now, maybe you don't want to share it as a web page. You want it to actually be like a Google slide. Well, for this to actually read, or for an operating system to read this, you need to go to the accessibility features of the presentation itself. I'm sorry, you need to go to Tools and then click Accessibility Settings. Now, I've already turned this on. This was just unchecked by default. Just go ahead and turn on screen reader support. I went ahead and turned on Braille support as well. And when you click OK, then you get this accessibility tab that you can do all kinds of different stuff with. But right now we're focusing on alt text. So basically by turning that one little feature on and providing the alt text in the document, when I turn on the Windows narrator, it's going to read me this slide. Yes, it will tell me right click and all this stuff, but then it will read me the description that we put in to the image. So I highly recommend you turn that on. Just make a simple slide like this, try it out. It's actually really neat, and I do think that it will help your end users a lot. So if you need any clarification on anything, or think of another tutorial you'd like me to make, please let me know, and I'll be happy to make it for you. Have a great day.